Used Mercedes models you should actually buy instead of new ones. 2019 Mercedes GLE 350 W166. If you walk into a Mercedes dealership today and buy a brand new GLE, you are essentially signing up to be a beta tester for highly complex, unproven 4.8-volt mild hybrid systems. These newer setups are notorious for completely bricking the vehicle right on the highway, leaving owners stranded. If you want a modern luxury family hauler that won't leave you stranded, look at the previous generation 2016 to 2019 GLE 350. This is widely considered by independent mechanics to be the absolute last of the old-school, durable Mercedes SUVs before production values were sacrificed to meet strict emission targets. The secret to this SUV's legendary durability lies entirely under the hood. While almost every other modern luxury trim relies on fragile, high-pressure turbochargers, this specific version uses the M276 5-liter naturally aspirated V6. Mercedes engineers heavily reinforced this specific engine block and utilized a highly simplified timing chain setup. It pumps out a rock-solid 302 horsepower with absolutely zero turbo lag and no catastrophic overheating issues. When you are hunting for one on the used market, target the 2017 to 2018 GLE 354 Matic models. Avoid the twin-turbo GLE 400 or the overly complex GLE 550e plug-in hybrid at all costs. When you go out to test drive a 350, insist that the seller leaves the engine completely cold before you arrive. Stand by the hood, fire it up, and listen closely to the back of the engine block. If you don't hear a metallic rattle during the first 3 seconds of operation, the timing chain tensioners are in perfect health, and you have a tank that will easily hit 200,000 miles. Number 2. 2008 to 2009 Mercedes E-Class E350 W211, the refined commuter. The 2008 to 2009 E350 represents a massive sweet spot in the used market for buyers who want genuine old-money luxury and vault-like ride quality without a massive modern car payment. In today's market, these late-model W211 platform sedans fluctuate between $8,000 and $15,000. What makes these specific years so special is that Mercedes spent years refining the mid-cycle platform, drastically upgrading the interior cabin with high-grade, premium materials that simply do not peel or fade like the plastics found in newer entry-level cars. The highway tracking and noise isolation make long-distance cross-country road trips entirely effortless. Mechanically, this car utilizes the M200 and 72 V6 engine. However, because it is a used German luxury car, you have to be smart. Earlier versions of this engine were plagued by catastrophic balance shaft failures that required a massive $4,000 to $6,000 engine-out repair. By 2008 and 2009, Mercedes had largely sorted this issue, but you must aggressively check the vehicle's service history, look for documented timing chain services, and verify if the Sensotronic Brake Control (SBC) pump has been replaced recently. Furthermore, if you are looking at an E350 equipped with the optional air suspension, keep in mind that those air struts tend to develop leaks around the 100,000-mile mark, which can cost up to $4,000 to overhaul. If you can find a clean steel spring model with complete service records, it delivers a phenomenal 20 to 25 combined MPG and offers incredible parts availability through independent specialists, keeping your annual maintenance costs completely manageable. Number 3. 1998 to 2000 and 2 Mercedes E320 W210, the million-mile roach. From a pure styling perspective, the bug-eyed W210 E-Class looks undeniably dated by modern standards. But in the global mechanic community, this car is treated with absolute reverence. It is famously utilized as the definitive taxi fleet car across Germany, with countless examples routinely pushing well past the 500,000-mile mark without ever opening the engine block. It earned this immortal reputation simply because it was engineered right before computers began controlling every single square inch of a vehicle. It is a highly analog, incredibly robust mechanical masterpiece disguised as a budget-friendly sedan. The secret behind its mechanical immortality is the legendary pairing of the M112 2-liter V6 engine and the heavy-duty 722.65 speed automatic transmission. The M112 engine uses a brilliantly simple 3-valve per cylinder design combined with a dual spark plug setup for completely optimized combustion. It physically does not suffer from internal mechanical failures. The 5-speed transmission is so notoriously over-engineered that Porsche actually bought this exact gearbox from Mercedes to use in their high-torque 911 turbo models. If you are shopping for one, look exclusively for the 2000 to 2002 LCI facelifted rear-wheel drive models, as they featured vastly superior interior electronics. The major Achilles heel here isn't the drivetrain, it's the body. Mercedes used cheap, biodegradable steel during this production era. You must put the car on a hydraulic lift and closely inspect the front coil spring perches and lower rocker panels. If the frame is rusted, walk away immediately. If the underside is clean and rust-free, buy it on the spot with cash. Number 4, 2010 Mercedes C-Class W204. The compact benchmark. If you are looking to step into the Mercedes brand on a strict budget, a brand new entry-level model is going to cost you a fortune in depreciation while giving you a fragile, plastic-heavy interior. The 2010 C-Class, however, represents an incredibly solid choice in the compact luxury market, typically trading between $10,000 and $20,000. It offers that classic, substantial German engineering weight and confidence-inspiring road manners at a mere fraction of the price of a generic modern economy car. The exterior styling has aged incredibly gracefully, maintaining its premium status on the road. When assessing the 2010 models, specifically the C300, you need to be aware of the common wear items. The M271 supercharged engines can suffer from supercharger clutch wear over time, which can run around $2,000 to properly address. Like most German cars of this era, you will want to keep an eye out for minor valve cover, oil leaks, or cooling system plastics that degrade due to heat cycles over time. If you live in a salt or snow state, make sure to inspect the rocker panels and the rear subframe for structural rust. With a reasonable annual maintenance budget of $1,200 to $1,800, this car rewards you with an engaging driving experience, a balanced chassis that handles beautifully in corners, and a highly competitive 22 to 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Number 5. 2017 to 2020 Mercedes E400, E450 W213. The secret twin-turbo. The W213 generation Mercedes E-Class features one of the most stunning, breathtaking interior cabins of the modern era. It immediately draws you in with massive, glowing, dual panoramic screens, open-pore natural wood trim, and an overall aesthetic that feels like a multi-million-dollar luxury yacht. Normally, a modern Mercedes packed with this staggering amount of raw technology is an absolute financial red flag on the used market. The base model E300 uses a highly strained 4-cylinder engine that is notorious for early internal failures. However, the E400 and E450 models are the ultimate exceptions to the rule. Instead of rushing to the highly complex, unproven 4.8-volt hybrid inline, 6 setups found in the newer inventory, Mercedes sneakily equipped the 2017 to 2020 E400 and E450 with the absolute pinnacle of their modern powertrain engineering, the 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged version of the M276 V6. Because the twin turbochargers are safely mounted on the exterior sides of the engine block rather than tucked deep inside the valley, it completely avoids the catastrophic hot V baking and heat soak issues that completely destroy Mercedes' modern V8 engines. It is blindingly fast, quiet, and profoundly robust. The absolute holy grail to look for is a 2019 E454 Matic sedan or coupe. Before you sign the paperwork, look underneath the wheel wells. Explicitly avoid any model fitted with the optional Airmatic air suspension. Find one that sits on standard steel coil springs, and you instantly eliminate the single most common $3,000 failure point on the entire vehicle. Number 6. 2013 Mercedes GLK Class X204. The compact utility king. For buyers who need the versatility, commanding view, and cargo capacity of an SUV but absolutely despise the floating, top-heavy, uninspired driving dynamics of modern crossovers, the 2013 GLK Class is the ultimate remedy. Usually trading for anywhere between $15,000 and $25,000 on the used market, the GLK looks like a chiseled miniature G-Wagon. It features bold, angular, utilitarian styling. The brilliant secret behind the GLK is that it was engineered directly on top of the robust W204 C-Class sports sedan chassis, meaning it drives with a heavy, planted, highly precise European car feel. In 2013, Mercedes performed a mid-cycle facelift on this platform and accidentally engineered one of the most reliable compact SUVs to ever hit the market. While the earlier GLK models utilized the problematic M272 engine, which was plagued by intake manifold and balance shaft issues, the 2013 model year received the bulletproof M276 naturally aspirated V6. By pairing this highly durable 302 horsepower power plant with a heavy-duty chassis and a highly capable 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, Mercedes created a compact utility vehicle that mechanically outlasts its plastic-heavy successor, the GLC class, by a massive margin. The primary maintenance item to watch for past the 100,000-mile mark is an updated engine oil cooler, which is a standard $1,000 preventative repair. Keep an annual maintenance budget of $1,500 to $2,000. Enjoy a solid 20 to 24 mpg, and you have an incredibly rugged, beautifully designed daily driver. Number 72. 012 to 2016 Mercedes SLK3 50 R129, the Forgotten Roadster. If you are looking for a thrilling, top-down sports car experience for the weekend, most buyers automatically flock to the Mazda Miata or a used Porsche Boxster. Because the Mercedes SLK 350 is completely overlooked by the mainstream enthusiast market, it has become the best-kept secret on the luxury used car market, offering a premium experience for roughly $16,000 to $24,000. The SLK 350 features a magical motorized folding metal hardtop, providing you with the quietness and absolute structural security of a hardtop coupe in the winter and an open-air roadster in the summer. While the previous generation SLK used an engine that literally ground down its own internal balance shafts, the R172 generation is rock solid. Because the SLK platform is incredibly lightweight, the 302 horsepower naturally aspirated M276 V6 engine turns this car into an absolute rocket ship. There are no turbos to blow, no complex intercoolers to spring a leak, and it pairs seamlessly with a crisp 7-speed automatic transmission. Furthermore, it completely avoids the disastrous, incredibly expensive hydraulic active body control, ABC, suspension systems found in the larger SL class models. Your only real point of vulnerability here is the mechanical complexity of the folding Vario roof. When you inspect an SLK 350, you must physically cycle the motorized hardtop up and down 3 consecutive times back to back. If the hydraulic pump stutters, whines loudly, or hesitates for even a second, walk away from the deal. If it operates smoothly, you have found an absolute weapon of a weekend toy. Number 8. 2014 Mercedes M-Class ML350 W166, the heavy-duty family hauler. If your lifestyle demands a serious, mid-size family luxury cruiser that can comfortably haul 5 adult passengers while simultaneously boasting a massive maximum towing capacity of up to 7,200 pounds, the 2014 ML350 is an outstanding value proposition, retailing on the used market for $18,000 to $28,000. It perfectly bridges the gap between rugged, heavy-duty utility and traditional Mercedes cabin refinement, saving you tens of thousands of dollars compared to a new luxury midsize SUV. The major benefit of the 2014 model year is that it completely moved away from the older, fragile engine architectures and adopted the highly reliable M276 V6 power plant. While early versions of this engine in the ML platform can be prone to minor, early oil seeps around the front timing covers, it is vastly superior and mechanically tougher than its predecessors. Buyers should be aware that operating costs for any midsize luxury SUV are inherently higher. Tires are larger and more expensive, and heavy-duty brake components wear out faster. If you find an ML 350 equipped with the optional air suspension, it provides an uncompromised magic carpet ride quality, but you must budget for eventual airbag replacements. To maximize your value, bypass the expensive luxury dealerships and establish a relationship with an independent European car specialist who can easily handle regular fluid flushes and routine maintenance for a fraction of the cost. Number 9. Mercedes SL500 R129. The Cost No Object Vault. The R129 generation SL500 was the ultimate, undisputed status symbol of the 1990s, favored worldwide by celebrities, elite athletes, and royalty. It represents an era of Mercedes-Benz history that will simply never happen again. The Cost No Object engineering era, right before the disastrous Chrysler merger. Mercedes engineers were handed a completely blank check and told to build the absolute greatest, most durable roadster on the face of the earth. The build quality is so profoundly over-engineered that this car feels less like a typical convertible and more like an indestructible bank vault wrapped in high-grade leather. Depending on the specific year you track down, you will find either the legendary M119 V8 or the later, highly bulletproof M113 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. These power plants utilize massive timing chains that are literally as thick as bicycle chains, completely devoid of the cheap, fragile plastic components and brittle tensioners that plague modern Euro V8s. It will effortlessly cruise at 130 miles per hour on the Autobahn all day long without breaking a sweat. The absolute holy grail for collectors and daily drivers alike is the 1999 to 2001 model years, which pairs the ultra-reliable M113 V8 with the highly perfected, smooth-shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. The primary item to inspect during your buying process is the complex array of hydraulic cylinders controlling the convertible top. Look directly behind the sun visors and look down the interior A-pillars. If you spot wet oil stains, the seals are failing. Ideally, you want to hunt for a well-maintained example where a previous enthusiast owner has already swapped out the factory hydraulic cylinders with upgraded heavy-duty aftermarket seals. Number 1. Mercedes E400 W212 LCI, the ultimate daily driver. If you consult any veteran, independent European automotive mechanic and ask them to name the single most reliable, over-engineered, mathematically perfect daily driver Mercedes ever manufactured in the 21st century, 100% of them will point you toward the facelifted W212 generation. It delivers an outstanding balance of effortless power, sports car passing capability, and a solid 20 to 25 mpg. While you should keep an eye on the timing chain guides around the 100,000-mile mark, which can cost roughly $3,000 to update preventatively, the core internal engine block itself virtually indestructible. Because this is a high-performance twin-turbo luxury machine, it demands premium fuel, high-grade synthetic oil changes, and top-tier replacement brakes and tires, pushing your annual maintenance budget to around $2,000 to $2,500. However, in exchange for that operating cost, you are getting a modern, gorgeous luxury sedan that completely bypasses the fragile, unproven hybrid technology of the current generation, allowing you to easily drive for the next decade with complete confidence.